Which of the following remains in solid state at normal temperature? Right answer is option A, iodine. So friends, iodine remains in solid state at normal temperature. Hence the correct answer will be option A. Which of the following is the greatest shipping canal of the world? Right answer is option D, Suez Canal. Friends, in Egypt, the Suez Canal is an artificial sea level waterway. The Suez Canal connects the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea through the Isthmus of Suez and divides Asia and Africa. It constructed by the Suez Canal Company between 1859 and 1869. Officially, it opened on 17 November 1869. Quit India movement was started in blank. Right answer is option D, August 1942. Friends, Quit India movement was started in August 1942. Friends, the Quit India movement is also known as India August movement or Bharat Chodo Andolan. It was launched at the Bombay session of the All India Congress Committee. It was launched by Mahatma Gandhi on 8 August 1942. The movement was initiated to demand an end to British rule in India. The movement begins at Gwalior Tank Maidan in Mumbai. Mahatma Gandhi gave the call of do or die in his speech delivered at the Maidan. Which of these is also known as Land of Thousand Elephants? Right answer is option C, Laos. Friends, Laos has served as home to thousands of elephants, hence it was called a land of thousand elephants. Thailand is known as the land of the white elephant. Bhutan is known as the land of the thunder dragon. Japan is known as the land of rising sun. When was the Punjab annexation with the British rule? Right answer is option B, 1849. Friends, after the merger of Punjab into the British Empire, Lord Dalhousie formed a council of three people to rule Punjab in 1849 AD, in which Sir Henry Lawrence was appointed as the president and John Lawrence and Charles Grenville Mansell as members. Game Changer is the biography of which of the following cricketer? Right answer is option D, Shahid Afridi. Friends, former Pakistan captain Shahid Afridi's biography Game Changer will hit the stands on April 30, 2019. The biography is written by well-known TV anchor and broadcaster Wajahat S. Khan. Headquarters of NABARD is at blank. Right answer is option A, Mumbai. Friends, NABARD means National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Who was the first speaker against whom a no confidence motion was brought in the Lok Sabha? Right answer is option B, G.V. Mavlankar. Friends, on December 15, 1954, a no confidence motion was moved against the first speaker of the Lok Sabha, Ganesh Vasudev Mavlankar, by 21 opposition MPs including Acharya J.B. Kriplani. The motion against them was rejected by the Lok Sabha on December 18, 1954. Which city had India's first helicopter taxi service? Right answer is option C, Bengaluru. The headquarters of Survey of India is located in. Right answer is option C, Dehradun. Friends, Dehradun is the capital of Uttarakhand. Which of the following method of fuel ignition is used in diesel engines? Right answer is option B, heat from compressed air. Who is considered the father of biology? Right answer is option D, Aristotle. Friends, if we understand in detail, the father of biology is called the Greek philosopher Aristotle. Aristotle arranged it with his ideas and concepts about biology. Aristotle is also called the father of zoology, which is the branch of biology. He was a disciple of Plato and a master of Alexander. Which ruler of India did accept the subsidiary alliance of Lord Wellesley first? Right answer is option C, Nizam of Hyderabad. Friends, subsidiary alliance was a system devised by Lord Wellesley in 1798. Under this system, the Nawab of Awadh was forced to give over half of his territory to the company in 1801 as he failed to pay for the subsidiary forces. Among countries that do not have a single river flowing within their boundaries, which one is the biggest? Right answer is option A, Saudi Arabia. India's first diamond museum is in blank. Right answer is option A, Khajuraho. Friends, India's first diamond museum is in Khajuraho. Khajuraho temples were included in World Heritage Sites in 1986. These temples were built by the Chandela kings from 950 AD to 1050 AD. Swami Vivekananda established Ramakrishna Mission in the year. Right answer is option C, 1897. Friends, if you understand in detail, Ramakrishna Mission was founded by Swami Vivekananda in 1897. The headquarters of Ramakrishna Mission is located at Belur Math in West Bengal. The mission is named after the inspired by the Indian saint Ramakrishna Paramhamsa. Ramakrishna Paramhamsa was the guru of Swami Vivekananda. The first regional rural bank was established in India in the year. Right answer is option B, 1975. Regional rural banks were set up under the terms of the 26 September 1975 Ordinance and the RRB Act of 1976. First regional rural bank was established on 2 October 1975. The first bank of Muradabad, which is Uttar Pradesh, Muradabad, Uttar Pradesh, was the first RRB. Currently, there are 43 RRBs in India. Mazdoor Kisan Shakti Sangathan, a social movement, has been associated with which of the following in India? Right answer is option B, RTI Act. The hills, namely Black, Blue and Green Hill, are located in which country? Right answer is option C, USA.